Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you 3 alternatives on how you can do turning chains for single crochet and also start a row with single crochet. The first option is simply to do a chain 1 and then work into the second stitch where you do count the first chain as a stitch. This isn't very common, but it's an option where you end up with relatively straight edges. However, it can be a bit difficult to work into that chain. So you can try it and see if you like it. Then I'm just going to start again. And this time you start with a chain 1 as a turning chain. However, you work into the last stitch of the previous row or the first stitch of this row, start the row, and then I'll just work a couple more stitches so you can see how the edges end up, and you can see that they are bumping a bit more out and doesn't look as clean. Then the third option is to work a single crochet directly into the first stitch, and this does look great, and you will work into that stitch when you come back and do a next row. Let me do a couple more stitches so you can see how the edges look, and you can see you have to work into that first single crochet when you come back on the next row. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can start a row with turning chains for single crochet. Thank you so much for watching.